Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we're actually going to be doing a little clothing haul, and this is going to be all about the stuff I bought at the Nordstrom anniversary sale. So you might have seen a lot of these videos already if you are into fashion bloggers and stuff like that. It's been all over the place. I kind of got a lot of stuff. I stocked up on some nice quality fall pieces. So this is my first time shopping the sale, so I went a little crazy, and I've been following so many bloggers and I've just been like, oh my gosh, like I want all their outfits. And so yeah, I got quite a bit of stuff here. I don't think I'm going to keep everything. I'll try to insert some like full outfit poses, me trying the stuff on in the video. I have some clips of some stuff that's not the best quality because I did it like really quickly at one evening to show you guys how it fit and stuff, so you guys can give me opinions as well if what you guys like. But I definitely want to narrow it down to some things. I ordered a lot of cardigans and just like really nice like basics. I wanted some more better quality clothes. Figuring out sizes and stuff was a little bit difficult. I am more curvy, and a lot of the bloggers I noticed are like extra small. It's a little bit hard for me to judge like whether that would look good on me, and there is some things I won't show you that were just like not good at all. Like the main thing I was so excited for is like I think it's the BP Raw Edge like basic tees. They looked so cute and baggy on all the bloggers, but when I got them, it was a definite no. Like I ordered 3 colors and they're all going back because they were just super tight. They were very form-fitting, which I was thinking more I wanted like just a loose, cute tee to wear under cardigans and stuff that was flattering, but they did not look good on me. So those I am bringing back. If you guys know any really good like curvy like fashion bloggers on Instagram and stuff, let me know. I would love to follow them, get some more inspiration. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the things that I got. So I'll start off with the item I'm wearing. I'm going to be showing you guys it in gray as well. I ordered 2 colors because I absolutely love the look of these, and all the bloggers were like obsessed with this, and I love it. I think this is going to be like an essential everyday piece for me in the fall. But this is from BP. This is the gray one, and basically it's a little button up and it buttons all the way down. You can wear it as a cardigan or you can tie it at the bottom, and I love the little tied look. It's just so cute. Also, I forgot to mention, but some of the stuff might be sold out. I know a lot of it is probably sold out currently. Stuff goes super fast. I ordered most of the stuff the very first day of the sale. If there's something that you're absolutely in love with this haul, they will be restocking it. I believe the sale lasts until the it looks like August 6th, so they'll probably restock these items, but they will be regular price. But if you are in love with it, maybe it would be worth it to you to get it full price. But this sale is like a pre-fall sale, so all these new fall items go on sale, and then they get released full price again, which is so cool. So this is called the BP Ribbed Cardigan. I have it in gray, and then the cream one that I'm wearing. This is probably my favorite thing that I bought in the sale. These come in and out of stock. I bought size large in both, and I feel like they're a nice like still relaxed fit, and I love how they fit, and I'm a true large. So I would order your regular size if you like it more relaxed, or if you want it to be more fitted, go a size down. But I noticed on the site right now they do have extra large in the cream, so hop on it if you guys are interested in that. But I just check like every day, and they sometimes restock stuff. But this one I got for $25.90 instead of $39, which is their regular price. But I love these. Now I'll get into some of the cardigans I bought. I definitely wanted to stock up on some really cute comfy cardigans. This first one I have here is a really nice olive green color. Olive green is like my favorite fall color. This one's from Chelsea 28. I've never tried that brand before, but this is their oversized open cardigan, and when they say oversized, they definitely mean oversized. I saw some of the really tiny bloggers even like wearing these. I was like, how? Because I'm wearing because I bought the extra small, and it's still like huge and baggy, which I know that's like a trend. I'm trying to get used to it. I wore it to work one day, and I was like, does this look good? And everyone's like, yes. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna keep it, I think, because it is so comfortable. This one was a little bit more expensive, but I do think it's like super soft and like a nice material. So this one was $59.90, originally $89, which is insane. Next up I have a gray cardigan. This one is from the brand Leaf. I did get a couple other colors in this style. This is called their Ribbed Shawl. Sorry guys, my video got cut off, so I have to refilm this little part here. But as I was saying, this is the gray cocoon cardigan from Leith. And I got these in a medium, and I also got it in another color, like a light pink, which I'll show you guys as well. But these ones, I don't know, these ones aren't as like super soft and cozy, but they're kind of just like a basic essential. They're just a little bit more fitted than some of the other ones I picked out, but this one is $45.90 on sale, and then originally $69. I also got the light pink one, so I got a couple of colors in that one just because I think they were popular last year or something, so a lot of people were recommending these little cardigans. They just wanted a couple different colors to go with some outfits, and I think this one is really cute. I love this pink color, so that one's also $45.90 as well. And then of course I ordered a couple of the Barefoot Dreams cardigans. Everyone goes crazy over these cardigans. They are like the softest material ever, but they are just like super pricey, but I can see why due to their material. They're just so cozy, you just want to snuggle up. So I did order a medium because that's typically what I wear in cardigans. I believe they're like extra small, small, medium, and then large, extra large. So I ordered a medium and I like it. It's a little bit more fitted than I was expecting, especially in the arms. I wish they were just a little bit more baggy because they are just like super fitted. So keep that in mind if you guys are thinking about getting one. But I do like how it feels. I just want it a little bit more cozy. So I did decide to order another one after I got this one in the mail, and I ordered it in the large, extra large, but I ordered it in cream this time. I don't think I'm going to keep both, we'll see, but because this one's like really similar to the other gray cardigan color, so then I got this cream one in the large, which I still need to try this one on to see if it's better in the arms, but so cozy. Vote down below if you guys like the gray color or the cream color better. I feel like maybe I could wear the cream more with other things. I don't know. So this is $76.90, originally $116, but I had to get one. This one is the Cozy Chic Light ones. So trying to debate on which one of those I want to keep. I think this is the last cardigan I have to show you guys, which is actually my favorite. This one is from Dreamers. I also got it in a medium. I probably could have gone down to a small, actually. It runs a little big, but I do like it oversized. So it's called their Nubby cardigan, and it's like this cozy material. It's not as soft as the Barefoot Dreams, but it's pretty close. But it's just like so cute and cozy for fall and winter. And the only thing that sucks is mine has a hole in it, which I was kind of like, dang, like I don't think I want to keep that because I'm trying to go for like good quality stuff and not like stuff that has holes and can tear easily, because I mean the knit stuff is so hard because it can easily get caught on stuff. But I know this one is sold out because it's such a good price. I think it's like 30 something, but yeah, I'm kind of undecided on what I want to do with this one just because I feel like it's going to snag it really easily, but it's just so soft. We'll see. I definitely need to either exchange it when it's back in stock because it does have a pretty big hole near the pocket. The next thing I got is a top. I think this one is adorable, and this one is by the brand Lush. I did get a large in this one. It's just a little plaid top, but what I love about this one is that it doesn't button down all the way, so you can just wear it as a top, and then it has these buttons up here. Just a nice classic black and cream that I could wear with a lot of things, and it fits really nice. I got a large in this one if I didn't mention that already. So definitely I think I'm going to keep this one. It's just a nice top for fall. And this one was $31.90, originally $49. And then the last top I got is a little sweater here. This one is from the BP brand. Let me know, because I'm super new to ordering from Nordstrom, if you guys think BP is pretty good quality. Does it last a while? Because that's really what I'm looking for. I buy a lot of really cheap clothes, and I buy a lot of prints and just like trendy stuff, so I really just wanted some nice basics that are gonna last me. So I got this sweater. I love this color. It's like this purpley taupe color. Super cute. It has a deep V, and this one is more cropped in the front and then longer in the back. It's so cute on, and it's very, very soft, but it's also lightweight, which is nice for transitioning into fall. So So this sweater was on sale for $25.90, originally $39, and it does have more colors. If you guys are interested, you guys can check it out. I think this color sold out. That one sold out pretty quick, but it has some really fun colors, and it's a very comfortable little sweater. Alright, next I'm going to show you guys the shoes I got. I got 3 pairs of shoes to show you guys. So this first one, I just adore the look of these. These are so cute. I love the color. These are from Vince Camuto, and let's see if it has the name. These are the Vince Camuto Pavista Booty. They're on sale for $99, originally $149. I just tried these on. I got these yesterday, and the leather in here is so soft and comfortable, but it has this huge cutout, so this is something I'll probably have to wear barefoot unless I have like some no-show socks. They fit pretty good. I don't know, I feel like I might have been able to size down to a 7 because there's a little bit of space when I have them on here. It looks a little bit weird, so I don't know. I'm undecided. I'm gonna have to like wear them and see if I like the 7.5s or if I think I need to size down, but these are so comfortable. I love the look of these. They're just so cute. It's a fun little fall booty. Alright, I did get another pair of ankle boots. I seem to always go for the ankle ones. They didn't have a whole lot of good tall ones this year. So I got these. These are from BP. These ones aren't as comfortable as the Vince Camuto ones. Of course, they're a little bit cheaper, but I really liked the color on these. I'm not sure if I love the top though. It's like a little bit flimsy. I don't know if they're made to like go like this or what. But these are $79, and then they're originally $119. So I did pick up these. Still undecided. I think I like the Vince ones a little bit better. But these are just nice because you can wear socks with them. The last shoe I got, I'm so excited for these. But I ordered these adorable like light blush pink mules from BP. Everyone has been going crazy for these shoes, and I have nothing like this, but I know the mules are super trendy right now, so I wanted to get this pair. I think they're so darn cute. These ones were only $49.90, which I think is an awesome price. I got my normal size, which is a 7.5, and I feel like they're pretty snug. I feel like I can stretch them out a little bit, hopefully. My heel hits like the back of it, so I don't know if that's normal, if that's how people wear them or what, but I like them. I think they're super cute. I'm just going to have to practice walking in them. They're a little higher than I'm used to, but I just love how they look. They're so cute. Even with a pair of skinny jeans and a casual top, these are adorable. I think that is everything that I got from the Nordstrom sale. Definitely some good things. I'm really excited about my order, but it did take a really long time to get to me, which I totally understand. They probably have thousands and thousands of orders that they have to put out. It's frustrating when it's been like a couple weeks and you don't know if your package is coming and what's going on with it. But I got everything. Everything came safe and sound, so that's good. Let me know any thoughts you guys have. I'll have all these things linked down below if you guys want to check out the links. And like I said, the sale is till August 5th. I think everything will restock eventually, even when the sale's over, if there's something you really love and don't mind paying a full price for. Otherwise, if you check back every so often on the website, sometimes you can catch one of these things in stock. So yeah, that's going to be it for my Nordstrom haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.